calculate the refrigerant pipelines. Now, this pipeline calculation is already there on the equipment. Okay, so you need to check like 1/4 inch you have plug, so you can clean the drain tray whenever you need to there, and it will not go properly downstairs. So either you make the pipes, right? They require a very small this, so insect, anything can go. If this is like this, it will not go. So the air vent should always be in a U-trap. Now the electrical wiring, most important thing. Okay. Now what are the basic requirements? The basic requirement, voltage range should be within plus 10%, plus minus 10%. But we recommend only 5%. Okay. The reason, if you keep it a lower, the chances are very that the fluctuation. The expansion valve will keep open and it will have a liquid hemorrhage in our system. You don't know how many. So this should be 3 in master unit. Okay. The slave unit will have H1 H2 connection with the master unit. All the settings what we will do in the machine will only, sometime it will work, but at a certain time it will give you errors, communication failure error. Now we have more important things, which is like if you need to connect, only I can operate it from the central controller. So you need to provide an address. I will tell you how to provide that. We installed kilowatt hour meters. Okay, this will be connected to the outdoor unit. From the main breaker should go to the watt hour meter. From the watt hour meter it will go to the outdoor unit. Centimeter, 10 to 50 amp to do the settings in each of this PCB box.
For the fan?
The outdoor fan.
Condenser fan.
Outdoor fan. In the address of all the indoor unit, you need to change this switch. Then it will clean all the indoor address. Then again you will delay. Once you give command to the machine, it will work after 12 minutes. The central controller which you are using, either you are using a new control address. Okay. Now you can see outdoor from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The menu mode on the outdoor unit. So you will press the menu. N14 is for the entire outdoor unit as well, right?
Yes, no.
50%, 60%, 70%, 80%. So first thing, power and communication wiring. You need to check, are the wiring specification correct, like the wire size and everything. You need to make sure, are the cables properly insulated. You need to make sure that they are properly connected inside the unit. It is well shielded, properly grounded. Then you need to check for the communication wire, whether the communication wire is connected. Now second thing is refrigerant pipe and insulation. You need to make sure that all the pipe diameters which were as per the selection software, they are installed properly, they are insulated properly, there is no opening or something so that the water will drop. Pressure test and vacuum dry. Has the pressure test been achieved? Like 48 hours which I said to you in the morning, did we complete the 48 hours proper cooling and efficiency of the machine? It is advisable to at least keep the outdoor unit. If there is any error, the outdoor unit will not start the machine automatically. That is called test mode. It works only for 1 hour. Okay. Once you put the machine in test mode, it will run for 1 hour, then it will stop. Then you need to go and start with your thermostats. So if you have, like in the initial commissioning, we can go and start each of the indoor units. That is, we can do. But like once the project is hand over, it is difficult to go in all the rooms. Okay. So you can use a test mode. Otherwise, you have to run the machine, okay, in cooling mode, 17 degrees, the lowest temperature you set, and run the machine for at least 2 hours, and then you check the parameters of the machine. Okay, So what parameters we will check, I will show you. This is normal operating parameters of one system. This will vary, it cannot be the same. Like you see, this is 10 degrees, which is not for your market. 26 to 31 we can consume, like average discharge while doing the commissioning. Okay, or when the machine is in operation, it is a slave 2 unit. Second, it will show you the unit capacity. Sorry. Unit capacity means it outdoor and number of indoor units currently in company. So it calculates and tell you the DC voltage. The parameters. Refrigerant charge always depends upon